there's a hill coming up. It's like, oh, that's going on. Okay. I had a car. Oh, it's moving now. Bye, Jeeperoni. Jeep. Okay, that's okay. It's gonna be pretty. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I haven't rode this bike in such a long time. Oh, the school bus. Okay, the school bus right here. No, it's at high schoolers. Sucks to suck, buddies. Doesn't it? There it goes, off in the distance. Hey, that's fine. There it goes. These mid things. Hey. My thing's a little bit blurry. For some reason. I need this foot. There you go. I don't know if the video's focused until I turn around to know I'm a dumb person and like switch things be like this. But let's go. So happy to use my phone, not my camera. It's my camera. This one that can. Okay. Pretty loud. Oh, there's a helicopter right there. Here comes the hill now. Here's a steepest hill. As you know. Yep. Here we go. I don't know. Is it better to take myself or is this me going down the hill? Man, beautiful nature sometimes. Walking, natural. Oh, I almost fell there. That was pretty bad. I'm pretty good face. Hello. There's a squirrel. Oh crap! My pants got stuck. Squirrel. What the? Slow down. What the heck? Oh, I must have pressed something, my bad. Hey, here's some tree branches. It's been a long time. I don't know why it's tree branches, but we got the sacred owl, my boy here. I'll show you my boy. Me boy is a beautiful boy. Here is me boy. The trek. No, tree trek. Hey, man. Bill Jack Park. My bike here. Boys. That was pretty. There's my bud right there. My bud. There you go. That's me. Wearing my ugly shoes right now, so look at these shoes. What even are those? I don't wear them at all. This is my first time actually wearing them in like a year. Just had them in my closet. Okay, go downhill. Okay. Oh, that's mud. Oh. I don't know if I actually want to go there now and show you the creek. But no. I'll be the boy. And get these nasty shoes even nastier somehow. Yeah, sometimes there's like frogs and stuff around here. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's not wet. It's in there. This thing is, I don't know. Just be able to step on that. Just walk across. Okay. Should I go? I don't know if I should go dead there. I have to make it across, which isn't that hard actually. You can ride my bike across. Actually, you probably won't. That won't be smart. But should I go down there? I can try to maybe walk all the way around to there, and then I can show you underneath. I don't know if I want to do that though. Comment down below oh crap, what side want me to pick, but I'm gonna here, let me go see. My boy, mud boy. It's muddy boy. Ooh, not a mud. Jump. Getting closer. It's purple. Now, it gets stuck on the edges. You get caught. Getting pretty cool. It's nice. The bridge down there. I can cross, Oh, baby. Okay, what I'm doing right now. This video is like, I've tried to do like a weekly vlog. Oh, look, a glove. It's a mysterious glove. See, look, you gotta get that out of here. Hello. How's your day? Pretty good. Bye. Random person. Hopefully they didn't see me do that glove right now. Doing pretty good. Let's put. Don't you hate that? Oh, baby, getting my suckers wet. I don't know if I want to go there now. It's mushy and no nasty. I can't believe my. Oh, why did I step there? Okay, we're back here. See if I can find any frogos or crayfish. Usually crayfish are deeper down there. At least that lady was nice and like, hey, pick that club back up. No, she's right there. And then she's hi. I might be able to make it to there. Okay, here we go. I'm trying for y'all, for the boys, and I just okay, it's not wet. That's wet, but I have skiing socks on, and no, not skiing. Yeah, true. Here we go. We're getting close. I'll leave a face. Okay, now we're here in the middle. There's a bunch of trash. It's nasty. I don't know if I'll do it. It's kind of cool. No, there it is. Okay, can you focus? Oh, I feel bad for you guys. If I want to focus this whole entire video. This thing looks beautiful. Okay, I want to see some 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's like my phone in the water, which probably wasn't the smartest thing ever. I want to check it out. Oh, crap. Right. Where's my phone? No, okay. Not wet. Nope, it's wet. Oh, baby. Is that a dog? That's a dog thing right there. No, I'm going back up. So, Poppy. Oh, soaking wet. Okay, not the lady running. Bye. All right.